Good morning, friends. This is Rajiv Gupta, Certified Financial Planner and Equity Research Analyst. And today's topic is basically about retirement planning. And post-COVID, as you know, that entire country is having very tough times. Our entire infrastructure is broken. Our medical infrastructure is not, you is working at its limit. And almost 20 states are in lockdown. And it looks future looks very grim as far as health condition is concerned. Oxygen supply is continue to be under shortage. So friends, basically having researched over retirement plan, doing research from last quite many months about how you should go about retirement planning. I have made a one presentation in which basically I will be talking about you know how uh, uh, you can have best of both worlds in your retirement planning. And anybody who is interested in having secure income once he touches 60, he must you know uh, have a look at what we are going to propose now. So basically, anybody who is having 10 years to retire, this basically presentation is meant for those who are already retired or completed 60, 65. This is not for them, but they can also think about it. So, why we made this presentation? Why what was the need? A lot of people are earning solid income uh, as far as market is concerned. People are making fantastic money in share market right now. The stocks are all time high. People have multiplied their wealth 5 times, 10 times. There is absolutely no doubt about it. But this is the time when we should be cautious, and this is the time when we should capture whatever gains we have, and you should ensure that gains are not taken back by the market. Okay, now coming to retirement, yeah, retirement planning is going to be the biggest challenge because future cash flow is going to be totally uncertain. You don't know how situations are going to pan out. So this presentation is basically how to guide you, to help you, that whether some COVID-like situation happens in future, you should be prepared for that. You should not say that market is you know uh, not supporting, nothing like that. So we are going to plan our retirement in such a way that come what may, our monthly incomes are duly taken care. There are few challenges to our retirement planning. First is inflation. Inflation is you know running very very high. You take any commodity, you take fuel, you take sugar, you take coffee, you take wheat, you take rice, you take plastics, you take steel, you take cement, you take fuel, anything that comes to your mind is up 20, 30, 40, 50%. And it is very, very scary situation for retirees, because once inflation catches up, you don't have, you have to make more for your monthly income. Secondly, with increased burden on our, you know, medical infrastructure, there there is going to be, increase in taxation, because government doesn't have sufficient funds to handle this COVID-like situation. So they are going to raise taxes in future. So you have to be prepared for that. Longevity, people are going to live more and more. You will be reaching 90, 95, even 100 years of age. So whole idea is you should not outlive your money. And there are a lot of challenges which are going to be there, because post COVID there can be serious illness which can make you inactive, you or your spouse inactive for very long period of time. There can be serious diseases, there can be partial disability, there can be weakness, illnesses. So that makes your earnings very difficult. So how will you go about it? you know we don't mix uh, investment with savings. Savings is altogether different thing. Here what I'm going to talk about is basically blend of savings and investment, that I will come to that. But basically, if you are getting very good returns in mutual funds, if you are getting very good experience in stocks, what I mean to say, this is a very good time to capitalize on that return. Please don't think that that party is going to last forever. So any day, very shock or surprise can come. So we use our retirement portfolio should be completely immune to such kind of big sell-off or fall which happens in the market. You know, we all know that there are 80% chances that women are going to reach, 100 or more, uh, going by the past trends. And what will happen if they live and if there is no source of income? So you should plan for your spouse also, who is also not so, financially, literate, who can understand the difference between stocks and bonds and asset allocations and all those things. These things are not meant for our ladies to understand and to act. What they need is secured income. So basically, in Europe, if you see, there are people are living up to 125 years also. What will happen if suppose if you or one of your spouse lives up to 100 and 125 years? This is going to be very difficult situation. So our idea is basically to make a plan in such a way that you will not uh, have any kind of problem as far as basic necessity is concerned. So basically, two things happen during the retirement. Your financial worries are going to increase with each passing year because of increased uncertainties in income generation, and your income generating capacity will get reduced by various factors and due to various reasons, which is beyond scope of this thing. But basically, you should understand that there you may be having some time where you will be having very tough time as far as monthly income is concerned if you don't have proper plan or proper retirement planning with you. So basically, now coming to what are the retirement expenses which we are going to have. Basically, these are the few expenses. Food you must have. I have not included, but along with the food, nutrition is also going to be a very big part of your this thing, and that is going to be super expensive. Food is part of the total food chain, but the most important or the expensive part is the nutrition. And nutrition is going to cost you anywhere between 100 to 200% of the food expenses. Clothes, as I said, that they will be they are must. Then long-term health care, your health insurance. For example, right now COVID situation is there. So health is very going to play very important role in your retirement. So you have to keep certain money for your club membership. Then you have to pay for your utility bills, like mobile bill, like electricity bill. Then you have for gas or what do you call it, LPG connection. And then there will be you may be needing some attendant for your home, and along with that you may be needing some uh, what do you call that, domestic help. So if you take into account, almost 50-60,000 rupees will be needed monthly if you are a couple. So basically, why we made this presentation? The idea is basically to tell you one thing, that you should not put your money into stocks, real estate, bitcoins, the money which is meant for retirement planning. It has to be kept in separate basket. You cannot take even 1% risk with that capital. You may be making money in in those asset classes, but that money is not going to be permanent. Please remember that money earned through any speculative this thing venture can go in the same way. So we cannot take risk in retirement planning. So why even if you are a millionaire, if you are having you know crores and crores of assets, but you should not leave your retirement planning unchecked, because any asset can be stolen, it can be swindled, it can be destroyed, it can be divorced, it can be held up in litigation, it can underperform, it can be liquid. No, it can become zero also. So what you need is basically uh, that kind of written guarantee that we are going to get fixed income irrespective of any situation. So our focus is basically uh, cash flow, which is very important. Now, why important is cash flow? Why, how important is cash flow? Cash flow is something which you will be needing for your to cover your necessities, and you cannot delay that cash flow. For example, just as I mentioned, 50 to 60,000 rupees you will be needing per month. Now there cannot be any compromise. You can have some extra arrangement. You can have some 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees planning. That can be additional. That is well and good if you are having. But the basic idea is to you should secure just a proper job is there, a salary job is there, which is there. Suppose you are going to be job on for 20, 25, 30 years. Same way retirement income should come in your home. You should be paid like that only, and there should not be any break in that. So why whole idea is zero risk guaranteed plan. There should not be any kind of negative surprise. You cannot hold your agency or agent responsible if anything goes wrong, because you cannot uh, what do you call that, recover that loss. What is that going to happen? So there is absolutely no chance. What we are proposing is basically a combination of two kinds of plan that we call core and satellite, which we'll discuss. There will You will have no tax liability. Whatever money you are getting, it may be bit lower than what you may be expecting, but if you are not securing that money also, that please remember, chances are there that you will not be getting any money during that time. For example, there is a saying that uh, काढ़ा मामा नहीं मामा से ज्यादा अच्छा होता है. So we are basically talking about what? Zero risk, 100% tax-free, guaranteed yearly return with totally uncertainty-free, complete peace of mind. I mean, there can not be any situation where anything can go wrong. And this is very, very powerful offering as far as retirement planning is concerned. You may say that, okay, I may need lesser money, but I need fixed money every month. And that should be there so that because I have to keep food on my table. So there is nothing wrong in doing SIPs and mutual fund investment there, but they're suboptimal because they cannot be, uh, you know, what you call that, guaranteed. You cannot. Market is under no obligation whatsoever to pay you for your retirement. It has got nothing to do with whether you are having income or not. So you should be always afraid of any sharp sell off, any sharp downside movement which can happen due to any reason. For example, right now the market has recovered due to COVID, but I don't think that this market in economy has really recovered. Economy is in doldrums. All our major states are under lockdown, and I mean, nowhere business is happening properly. So when there are no hotels where people are not doing any kind of marriages, where there is no kind of function, and there is no visits, I mean, how the economy will move? Because what is working is hardly. I mean, medicine shop is working, and some grocery stores are working, hospitals are working, but all other sectors of economy are down. And I don't think 19 if you remember 1918 Spanish flu, it lasted for 3 years. So there are empty chances that this corona is not going to go away easily. See, every time new variant is going to come, so there is going to be huge challenges. So what we are proposing is how you should plan for your income. So what problem is, you cannot do the undo the damage if it happens during the retirement. So what we want is basically 30 years, 40 years, 50 years of continuous money flow. No, so that particular aspect, what we are going to discuss is, a detailed plan, concrete plan. There is no dependency on external situation. You are going to get fixed amount. For example, we will discuss over here. I mean, in our plan, if you put 10 lakh rupees for 10 years, 1 crore rupees is what you have invested. And over the period of 40, 50 years, you are going to get almost 4 crore rupees by the way of payouts. So that kind of planning, what we are going to discuss, but how it is better. So retirement planning is not about being sexy, but it is about solid income proof style that believes in cash flow. No guesswork, no dependency, no litigation, no running after the bank, no tax hounds, no watching of markets, subject to no kind of no disturbance due to any natural calamity like earthquake, fire, flood, and all those things. For example, what we are talking about is pandemic proof, lockdown proof, rights proof, war proof, any special situation kind of proof, kind of planning. So we have researched on hundreds of solutions and we have found this unique core and satellite approach that encapsulate every important and minutest aspect of retirement. You cannot have better plan than this. You can, I mean, have some features that may have a scoring above our plan, but if you look overall, because if you look four factors, what is safety, second is liquidity, third is taxation, and fourth is returns. So on all four parameters, we have designed this plan which addresses almost all important aspects of retirement planning. And the idea is basically that whether we are there after 20 years, 25 years, or 30 years or not, this income is going to be there. And you may be seeing situation where whatever plans or whatever companies or agencies or advisors you are seeing, they may not be there after 20, 25 years. But if you have a plan, which we are now suggesting, this can help you in getting income, whether irrespective of the person or the this thing, you will keep on getting these returns uh, right up to 100 years of age. So not only that, this plan also has a very important legacy issue addressed. For example, as I mentioned, you not only get decent income when you are living, but you can also pass down this income as your legacy to your children or your loved ones. So they will be also very happy about it that you have left something for them once you are not there, and that legacy can be carried to next generation also. So this is a family bank account concept kind of thing, what we call infinity banking in US, where I mean you don't depend upon anybody else, but your portfolio is so big and so resourceful that it keeps on giving you whatever money you need. So what is the specialty of our unique retirement planning or personal pension plan? Stock market is four course meal which you are enjoying right now, but you will remember that it won't be served every day. And what we are suggesting is basically dal, chawal, sabji, roti, curd, salad. That thali is going to come to you every day. So those people who are not greedy, those people who understand that you know fixed income or fixed return is more important than uh, irregular but high income, then they should look at this kind of concept what we are suggesting. So those, if you don't want to take any kind of risk, if you don't want to have any kind of negativity in your performance, you want peace of mind, complete peace of mind, that once I reach 60, I don't have to worry about my day-to-day expenses. And we have drafted a very good plan which will help you if you are a doctor, lawyer, teacher, small business owner who doesn't understand finance much. So this is a plan which is a fill it, shut it, and forget it kind of concept. It is a combination of two things. It is savings plus investment model. We have researched many years and we found that you cannot have a plan which can have only a savings component, or you can have a plan which can have only investment component. Like I mean you have to have blend of both. And savings mean debt funds which should be secured and guaranteed. But for debt fund we are going for a product which is sort of money back and endowment product, and that take care part of my debt component. And equity, we are going for a investment in which 10 years investments of equity we will be withdrawing for next 40 years on continuous basis. Because suppose if we are right now 50, and if we want to plan for 100 years, so what we are proposing in this plan, there is a 40% component which goes into equity that will be invested for next 10 years. So you will allow your equity investment to grow for next 10 years, and then whatever value it reaches after 10 years, that value you are going to withdraw in your capital plus return in the span of next 30, 35, or 40 years. So you will be taking the complete advantage of any boom that is happening during the market. And any I mean, since you are going to withdraw that fixed amount, so you don't have to depend on the market whether it goes up or you will give zero care about markets, because that model is such like that equity in 10 years it will blossom, and then it will be redistributed in during your retirement years. So you will get best of both worlds. Whenever, suppose if you are needing for say for example 2 lakh rupees per year from equity, chances are there that there may be you will be getting 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 the additional whatever amount you are getting, that is also you can keep in the fund or you can withdraw. But the idea is basically to withdraw that fund in the next 30 years on fixed amount basis, along with the debt component that is guaranteed along with retirement planning. So we are blending both, and that is called core and satellite approach. And that core and satellite approach will make you financially free. You can roam around the world, you can go to various places, you can enjoy your life, you can sit back, you can relax, because every month money is going to come. Even if you spend money, whatever money which you have received, irrationally for example 1 month, then still you don't have to bother about the second month again is going on. There's no dependency on the stock market, and absolutely there is no dependency on any fund performance, because it is fixed and it is written in contract, it is given to you. All you need to do is to just have the discipline of investing in this core and satellite approach. I will just try to show you how our core and satellite plan works so that you get an idea. You know, this is an Excel sheet which I'm sharing. You can see that uh, these are the 10 lakhs rupees investment which are done over the period of 10 years. Now the core plan is basically the guaranteed return what you are going to get. That is, I mean, this is the amount which you have to invest into uh, traditional plan, that is money back endowment. And of course, the returns are lesser 4.5%, but they are guaranteed. And they are, I mean, worldwide, if you go anywhere, all big insurance companies, they give returns in that range only. And more than, trillions and trillions of dollars, all HNI billionaires are keeping money with those insurance companies because they don't want, stock market risk in that money. And in that satellite plan, we are investing almost 20%. Now, this 80-20 flexibility you can change depending upon your need. I have designed this product for 50 years age of person. So you can change that particular, but we strictly advise that you should stick to this particular this thing. Now, what are the advantages? Once 10 years are completed, 10 lakhs are you have deployed, the core and satellite approach starts giving you rewards. 11th year, you are getting 21 lakh rupees. This is first time bonus for the 10 years. This is guaranteed. And from the next year onwards, and this is core plan return, and the satellite plan return is 2,44,038. This is fixed. As I mentioned to you, we are what we are doing here. We are 10 lakh rupees we have invested in 10 years. After 10 years, what we are doing is basically 11th year our payout is starting. So from the first year, we are getting 21 lakh rupees from the core plan, and the satellite plan what we have invested in equities. This will go into best 50, 100 companies of Nifty and Nifty 100. And over the 10 years time, whatever the fund, for example, if you are investing 1 lakh 86,000 per year, so after 10 years, this fund will become 29 lakh rupees. And this 29 lakh rupees, what we are going to do is we are going to get it distributed over next 40 years period of time. So, or if it, and just with 8% return, if the returns are more, you will be getting better this thing. So what our idea is fixed return. This is money which we are going to get every month, 4 lakh for every year. First year it is 21 lakhs. This is additional. You can either buy annuity for that much amount, but 5 lakh rupees is what fixed from 11th year onwards and right up to 100 years. And plus 2 lakh 44,000 from the core is 485 and satellites to 40. Total is 7 lakh 25,000. So investing by 10 lakh rupees for 10 years, you are getting 7 lakh 25,000, beginning with 23 lakh 44,000, which you can lump sum, you can use it for any purpose. And 7 lakh 25,000, you can buy annuity for that. And otherwise, we have not considered annuity because this plan is going to be tax free. All withdrawals are tax free, and these income is going to be 100% tax free. I have taken only, I mean, 8% return in equity. So 7,25,000 is your fixed income for next 50 years. So if you go down total, if you see that total approximately, there is also one good thing is that at the end of the maturity after 50 years, you are going to get almost 90 lakh rupees back what you have invested over the 10 years of time. And total payout touches approximately 4 crore rupees. So this is not a bad plan in my view. It is a very good plan. The most important thing is that it has got ironclad guarantee, and it tells you that no matter what situations is going to be, you are going to get this fixed income return, and your retirement is going to be very sound and very peaceful. Gentlemen, thanks a lot for listening to this presentation. You're requested to contact me at 975-429-2575 so that I can personally design your retirement portfolio. I can help you in your all asset management thing, including your investments in stock markets. And if you like, we can have a webinar on 9:30 onwards also, and we can talk to you about what your retirement goals are, how much you need for your retirement, how is your cash flow looking right now, how is your insurance requirement, whether you are taking proper insurance or not. So all this we can discuss if you can find time. And if you wish to contact me, you can contact me at this number, and we will have a detailed discussion about your personal portfolio. Thanks a lot, gentlemen, listening to this video about retirement planning. Please don't underestimate the power of this core and satellite approach, and please don't underestimate the problem of retirement which you are going to foresee. You are going to have very tough time if you don't have proper plan. Remember, this is like a crossing a desert, and you need long-term solution for this. And this is the best solution after working for many years, after seeing many experts, listening to many professionals in this field. We have found that this is the something which comes very close to perfection. So do this retirement planning holistically with us. Make your retirement plan so that you and your wife can have absolute fantastic life after 60. You don't have to regret anything in your life, and there is absolutely no dependency on markets to perform. Thank you, gentlemen. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.